This video is about your essay number 2, the career major essay, and it's going to go over the references and how to use Supernote cards and how to tag the sources. So remember, you have to use these sources as your for your information for your body paragraph number 1. And so let's say you go into Ferguson's and you type in the word lawyer because that's your career. And I'm just going to click on the lawyer. And here are the the information that you're going to be able to use for your body paragraph number 1. Okay, so when you're doing your Supernote cards for body paragraph number 1, this is where you want to put in all of your information that you got from your different sources. Okay, now how do I do this? Well, first of all, you have to click on reference and you have to add a reference. I already have the references here. That's what it should look like, but I'm just going to add another Ferguson's just to show you what it is. Okay, so remember, you add a reference. Here it is. You click on here, add a reference. Okay, let's say it's Ferguson's. So Ferguson's Career Center. If you like, you can just copy and paste the link here. Okay, and so this is all you have to do. Okay, and it is automatically saved. Okay, so it looks like I accidentally added this one just now, so I'm just going to delete that because that's not what I want. So here's the one I did today. If you don't like the color, you can change the color. You click on edit. Okay, so you click here, and I just want to make it a different color so that it really stands out. Okay, so now I can see that here's the one that I just added, right? Ferguson's Career. So now that I've added my reference, now I want to add more of my information. So you just click on the deck, okay, and let's go into the lawyer and let's just take a look at the Outlook, right? And here's what it says about the Outlook. So you want to copy and paste maybe 2, 3, 4 sentences max, okay? You don't want too much. So remember, 2 or 3 or 4 sentences max. So you're just going to copy that, okay? You're just going to click here. Just copy and paste like that, okay? And that was the Outlook, I believe, that they said, right? Okay. And so now that I have this, I have to tag it, okay? I have to remind myself this is where I got the information from. So you click on reference, okay? Here's the list of all the references that I added. I got it from Ferguson's. You click there, and you click on save. Okay, so now that when we look at our sources, we can see all these beautiful different colors, and that's what we want. So for example, I got this from the U.S. Bureau of Labor. I got this information from U.S. Bureau of Labor. Okay, I got this information from Ferguson, and etc. And this is important that you tag all of your information because remember, when you're writing your essay, you have to put in-text citation. So you have to remember where you got the information from. Okay, because if you don't tag it, you're going to forget where you got the information from, and so you will not be able to put it within your in-text citation. And just a reminder of the in-text citation, you just go like this and write Ferguson's and the period at the end. So this is what you will be doing for your in-text citations. So just to recap, this is what your essay number 2 should look like. You should have a deck for introduction, body paragraph number 1 about your information, body paragraph number 2 about your info from your counselor and your interview, body paragraph number 3 about your analysis, and your conclusion. And body paragraph number 1 is where you'll be doing all of your references. Remember, you have to put your topic sentence here. You have to add a reference. So click here and click on add a reference. Okay, and you should have at least 3 different ones like this. And so while you're doing your body paragraph number 1, you just add a card, copy and paste. Okay, copy and paste whatever you got from your Ferguson's. Okay, let's say I go into another one. Okay, employment prospect. I'm just going to copy and paste this information because that looks great. Okay, and that was employment prospects. And then I want to tag it by clicking on references, and I got that from Ferguson's. And click on save. Okay, and there you go. Okay, again, you can organize it the way you want it. You might want to make it so that it does make sense, right, within your body paragraph. You might want to make it chronological. So maybe the history of it, you got to get the education first, right? Maybe you want to get the license next, okay? And work earnings, pay would go with earnings, okay? Something like that. Okay? And also remember that when you are writing your essay, you do have to make sandwiches. So no more just copy and pasting long quotes. You will have to make sandwiches or you will have to paraphrase it. Okay, so have fun writing your essay number 2.